Hello, in this video we're going to look at the day, month, year, date functions. These functions allow us to pick a specific value from a complete date. So for example, identify the day, the month, and the year within a specific date. So identifying the day equals day, parentheses, select the date that you required. That tells us it's day 25 within that date. Same thing for month. Month 12, and the same thing for year. If you wanted to apply that same formula across, we can drag them down. And if we were keen on finding out what month name would month number 12 be, we can do a quick lookup, equals v lookup, value, table array, column index number would be 1, 2, so 2 in this case, and we want an exact match, so false. Close parentheses. We want this table to stay intact, so we go into fix it, enter, drag that down, and there you are. I hope this was useful. Thanks for watching.